Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Question is find root of x cube minus x minus 4 is equal to 0 using Newton-Raphson method near to 2 by performing 3 iterations. Solution. Now let this be fx. Fx is equal to x cube minus x minus 4. Now to find root means we have to find value of x for which fx is 0. Okay. Now initial root is given x0 is equal to 2. Now Newton-Raphson method formula is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. Now this formula involves this derivative term, therefore let us find derivative of this fx. Now we have this fx x cube minus x minus 4. Differentiating this with respect to x, f dash x is equal to derivative of x cube is 3x square minus derivative of x is 1, derivative of 4 is 0. Therefore f dash x is 3x square minus 1. Now given initial root x0 is equal to 2. Now we have to find f of x0 and f dash of x0. Therefore replacing x by 2. Therefore f of x0 is equal to, now fx is x cube, x0 is 2, therefore 2 cube minus x is 2 minus 4. Now 2 cube is 8 minus 2 minus 4, 8 minus 6 is plus 2. Now f dash of x0. f dash x is 3x square minus 1, 3 into replacing x by x0, that is 2. 2 square is 4 into 3 is 12 minus 1 is 11. Now first iteration, formula is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. Now if you put x is equal to 0, 0 plus 1, 1, that is x1 is equal to n is 0, x0 f of x0 divided by f dash of x0 is equal to, now x0 is 2, f of x0 is 2 divided by f dash of x0 is 11. Now if we calculate this using calc, then this is equal to 1.818. Now let us find f of x1. f of x1 is equal to, fx is x cube minus x minus 4. Now x1 is 1.818, replacing x by 1.818 cube minus x, that is 1.818 minus 4 is equal to, using calc, this is equal to 0.191. Now f dash of x1 is equal to, f dash x is 3x square minus 1, replacing x1 x by x1, that is 1.818. 3 square minus 1. 3 into 1.818 square minus 1, and this is equal to 8.915. Now second iteration, if you put n is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 2, that is x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. Therefore x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1 is equal to, now x1 is 1.818 minus f of x1 0.191 divided by 8.915. If we calculate this using calci, then this is equal to 1.797. These values of fx and f dash x, f of x1 or f dash of x1 are important because we are putting these values to find x2, x3. Therefore, correct up to 3 decimal points we have to find this. Now let us find f of x2. fx is x cube minus x minus 4, replacing x by 1.797. That is 1.797 cube minus x, that is 1.797 minus 4 is equal to, and this is equal to 0.006. f dash of x2 is equal to 3 into 1.797 square minus 1 is equal to 8.688. Third iteration, x3 is equal to x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2 is equal to, now x2 is 1.797 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2, and this is equal to 1.796. f of x3 is equal to, fx is x cube minus x minus 4, and this is equal to minus 0.0028. Now after 3 iterations, root is 1.796, and this f of x is near to 0 as compared to previous values. This value is near to 0, and we have to perform 3 iterations. Therefore after 3 iterations, this is root. If you like this, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.